long last battle has ended. Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Akosua Shirley, aka the area girl with branding. And today the area we are in is the Nkrumah Memorial Park. Hey, that's a mouthful. Nkrumah Nkrumah Mausoleum, or the Nkrumah Memorial Park, which has been redeveloped and modernized. And tonight I'm going to show you this amazing redevelopment in the evening, because they invested in the evening experience of it as well. We are here, it's like 7 to 8 o'clock. So without wasting your time, let's go. Hey guys, so when you come in, you come to the ticket section and get your ticket. It's 25 Ghana cedis for Ghanaians. You will definitely get a receipt, after which you can make your way to the main body of the mausoleum. And when you come at the bench area, there's a charging port so you can charge your phones whilst you sit down. Memorial Park, and I must genuinely say it is very impressive. It is very worthwhile. I'm really proud of the people involved in this redevelopment and modernization of the Memorial Park. I think it's befitting of the man that he is in the country that we are. If you get a chance to come here in the evening, please take the opportunity, because it's gorgeous. The lights, the fountain, the vibe, the atmosphere, and I don't know, something about the evening stuff. Everybody was just so chill, except one person, but we'll talk about that. But be sure to visit. It's 25 Ghana cedis for Ghanaian adults, 100 Ghana cedis for foreigners. If I'm going to be honest, I think that 100 is a bit much. I really think that 25 is a bit much, but I'm sure it's been quite an investment and they have staff to pay. So I think it's worth it. Be sure to come. Okay, bye guys. As always, if you have any questions, suggestions, put it in the comment section. Like, follow, share. Is the area girl with Brandon signing out.